Welcome. A few months ago I made a video on repairing some jeans with shoe goo, and this is a follow-up on that, and it was about 3 months ago to the day that I did this. And this is the repair, and you can see it's kind of peeling up around the edges here. It's kind of peeling up over here too, but it is still stuck, and these have been through a number of washings. I air dry these so they haven't really been through a dryer. And here's the inside. It's peeling up around the edges a little bit. But I'll put a link in the description to that other video if you want to go watch it. I used some parchment paper here to get this really smooth. And otherwise though, it's holding up pretty good. And my main concern when I did this was that this might like chafe against my leg or something. And I don't notice it there, so it doesn't cause any problem. I could probably cut this little tab off here. So something that I could potentially do to improve this, I think, would be to get a solvent for shoe goo. Like I think Toluene is one. There's another one, is it xylene maybe it's pronounced? I don't know. And maybe mix it together or like wet the jeans with it first so it soaks in a little bit better, because I think it was kind of sitting on the surface here around the edges, so it may not have soaked in and like really attached. But as far as the goal of keeping this tear from getting bigger, I think I've achieved that. It hasn't really expanded at all. It seems pretty sturdy still. So I think this repair was good. And you know, any extra time I can get out of my jeans is fine with me before I have to throw them away. And typically, you know, even if they get holes in them, I'll wear them sometimes to do like auto repair or yard work or things like that. So that's just my follow-up on my shoe goo jeans repair. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.